East Khasi Hills District Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongthanger reported that 5 individuals arrested for the petrol bomb attack on the J.N. Bowery statue in Dhankheti, Shillong, have been placed in judicial custody for 5 days. The attack, which occurred around 4 a.m. on Sunday, involved petrol bombs thrown at the statue, though it was only slightly damaged. The miscreants also targeted a nearby ATM booth with stones. An FIR has been filed at Limakra police station and the investigation is ongoing to determine the motive behind the attack.
After getting information, the police from Limakra police stations swung into action and sent a team immediately. So they have done all the investigation, this and that. And in this connection, 5 persons were arrested and have been produced court and also already sent to judicial custody. As per court order is 5 days. Since the case is still under investigation, and we'll see during the course of investigation, if any other, then definitely we'll take action promptly.
The Nativity Higher Secondary School